When we're using our mold, we can expect that it will need cleaning between some castings. Depending on the casting material we use, this could be after every shot or after every few. Regardless, let's look at a few options for cleaning our molds and the pros and cons of each. Our first option is to use warm soapy water. Since our silicone does not chemically bond to most casting materials, a gentle cleaning option like soap and water will do the majority of the job. A mild dish soap will work perfectly here. If we want a scrubbing utensil to aid in our process, then a soft bristle brush can be used to remove any dirt on the surface. Although soap and water is effective in cleaning, we will need to be aware that moisture can have a significantly negative impact on some casting materials, including polyurethanes. If we're using a casting material that is sensitive to water, then we'll want to make sure that our mold is thoroughly dry before doing so, or use an alternative option. A second option is to use acetone. Acetone is a chemical product that can easily break down and dissolve other substances. We can find this at our local home improvement stores, and it's fairly cost effective. To clean our mold, we'll simply apply some acetone to a paper towel or rag and wipe away any residue that may be inside of our mold. It is important to note that acetone is a chemical and needs to be treated with respect. Acetone is extremely flammable and may not be the best option unless you are comfortable using the material safely. It's important to read the recommended uses and always follow the manufacturer's guidelines for safety. Our final option for cleaning out our mold is to do another casting. If we're using a casting resin such as a fast-curing urethane, we can add a small amount of properly mixed material into our mold and rotate our mold to spread it around. Once our casting has hardened, we can remove it and see the debris it's grabbed and remove it from our mold. Although this is a great option for a quick result, we are technically casting in our mold, and that means we are using another one of our shots. This is not a deal breaker for this method, but instead is something we need to note so that we can track how much longer we can expect our mold to last.